monetization settings. So, yung first is the monetization. You need to on the monetization. Then after, live ad settings. So, pwede nating pagpipilian dito yung let YouTube insert mid-rolls for you or choose how mid-rolls appear. So, kapag ito yung pipiliin mo, let YouTube insert mid-rolls for you. So, yan. Choose your ad frequency. So, balance. And then, example, pag pipiliin natin itong choose how mid-rolls appear. Ayan, pipili naman tayo. Ito. Schedule, mid-roll, ads, unset frequency, insert mid-roll ad manually. So, depende sa inyo kung ano yung pipiliin nyo. So, mas sa akin, yung pipiliin ko itong let YouTube insert mid-rolls for you. And then balance, add frequency balance, and then save. So, yun yung channel level settings. So, ayan, channel level settings. So, pag i-click mo yan, yun na yung lalabas. Live monetization settings. Close. And dito naman sa itaas banda, meron siyang delay ads. And then, meron siyang insert ad. So, yung live sa YouTube guys, meron na siyang ganito. Ads will run shortly for some viewers. So, yan. Skip ads.